Welcome back to channel. Today, we're going to dive into the latest rumors and leaks surrounding the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. This tiny drone has been making waves in the industry, and we're excited to share the details with you. From its upgraded camera sensor to its extended flight time, we'll cover everything you need to know. So let's get started. Camera upgrade. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to bring a major leap in camera technology, primarily due to its rumored 1-inch sensor, a notable upgrade from the first 3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. This enhancement is significant because a larger sensor size directly impacts the quality of the images and videos you can capture. A bigger sensor means each pixel can be larger, allowing it to gather more light. This results in better performance in low light conditions, where smaller sensors might struggle. The increased sensor size also improves dynamic range, which means the camera can better handle varying lighting conditions within a single shot, such as bright highlights and deep shadows. Moreover, the color accuracy is enhanced, ensuring that the hues and tones in your footage are more true to life. For those who use drones for photography or videography, these improvements mean you can expect clearer, sharper images with more detail even when zooming in. This upgrade will also allow for more creative flexibility, such as achieving a shallower depth of field, which can add a cinematic quality to your aerial shots. In essence, the Mini 5 Pro's camera is set to elevate your ability to capture professional-grade aerial footage, whether you're a hobbyist looking to improve your personal projects or professional aiming for top-tier results. Internal storage. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to come with significantly increased internal storage compared to its predecessor, addressing one of the major concerns of drone enthusiasts, running out of space during flights. This enhancement is particularly exciting as it means users will have the capacity to store more high-resolution photos and 4K videos directly on the drone, eliminating the constant need to transfer files to other devices mid-flight. Whether you're capturing sprawling landscapes, intricate cityscapes, or dynamic action shots, the expanded storage allows for uninterrupted creative freedom. The upgrade is especially beneficial for those who are on extended shoots or in remote locations where transferring data is not feasible. By providing more storage, DJI caters to the needs of professional photographers and videographers who require ample space for large files, ensuring that you never miss a shot due to limited capacity. This change reflects DJI's commitment to improving the user experience, making the Mini 5 Pro not just a tool for capturing stunning visuals, but a more reliable and versatile device for aerial photography and videography. Flight time. Flight time is a fundamental consideration for any drone enthusiast as it directly impacts the amount of time you can spend in the air capturing photos and videos. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to set a new standard in this regard, with leaks suggesting an enhanced battery life that offers significantly longer flight durations compared to its predecessors. This improvement could be a game changer for both professionals and hobbyists alike, enabling users to maximize their time in the air without the constant interruption of changing batteries. The ability to stay airborne for extended periods not only allows for more comprehensive and creative shooting sessions, but also reduces the pressure of rushing to get the perfect shot before the battery runs out. With more time to plan and execute your shots, you can focus on capturing the best possible footage, whether you're flying for work or leisure. In an industry where every minute counts, the potential for longer flight times with the Mini 5 Pro could provide a significant competitive edge, making it an appealing choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography or videography. Moreover, this extended airtime could also translate to more efficient use of your flying sessions, giving you the freedom to explore different angles and perspectives without the constant concern of your drone running out of power. For those who prioritize quality and consistency in their work, the rumored longer flight time in the Mini 5 Pro could be the key to unlocking new creative possibilities and achieving the best results with each flight. Pricing and release. The Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to hit the market in September 2024, with an expected price range between $700 and $800. This price is especially competitive given the advanced features and enhancements the drone is rumored to offer. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to appeal to both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts, offering high-end specifications typically found in more expensive models. The price reflects a significant value proposition, making it one of the most attractive options in its class. For those looking to invest in a top-tier drone without breaking the bank, a Mini 5 Pro could be the perfect choice, offering a balance of performance and affordability that is hard to beat in today's market. As the release date approaches, excitement is building, with many eager to see if the Mini 5 Pro lives up to the hype and delivers on its promise of exceptional value. Given the current trends in drone technology and the competitive pricing of this model, it's likely to be a strong contender in the market, potentially setting a new standard for what consumers can expect from a mid-range drone. The anticipated pricing also suggests that the Mini 5 Pro will be accessible to a wider audience, including hobbyists and professionals who want a capable drone without paying premium prices. If the rumored features and price point hold true, the Mini 5 Pro could redefine the value equation for drones, making it a must-consider option for anyone in the market for a new drone in 2024. As always, potential buyers should stay tuned for official announcements and reviews to ensure that the Mini 5 Pro meets their specific needs and expectations. There you have it, folks. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be an incredible drone. With its upgraded camera sensor, increased internal storage, extended flight time, and competitive pricing, this drone is sure to impress. Stay tuned for more updates and get ready to take your aerial photography to new heights. Thanks for watching.